Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from T10. So feel free to check them out. T10. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Bagged items. A smaller item. Okay. No manifest that I can see, but these are all identified. So you can see these are branded T10. And we have two. Let's go ahead and open these. One of these. What you got here, you start off with the B5 Sopmod stock. So you can see here, it's got a few things that are actually different than your stock normal B5 product. So what the T10 has already done is they've gone ahead and put together a combination kit here. And you can see here some of the description. Let me get this card out for easier viewing. So you can see here what they have put in here is what's called the Sling Mount. So it gives you 200 degrees rotation with your sling. So once you put a QD in there, you should be able to rotate around. So here's actually an example right there. They include that as part of the kit. Sling Mount sold separately, but in this case, this was the combination kit, so that's why that was included in the bag. So you can see here it's specifically meant for the B5 Sopmod stock and the enhanced model here. This one I believe is Field Dark Earth. It does have this kind of rubber pad, but it's very stiff. And you have the insert tubes here. These, of course, turn out and you can pull them out and then push them in and lock them in with that little turn. Let's go ahead and take a look at, oh, that's very cool. Let's go ahead and take a look at, a closer look at the Sling Mount. This is part of their modular operator system. Similar with that. Also, you can see here some of the different color combinations you can get. Black Coyote, FDE, Multicam, OD Green, and Wolf Gray for mil-spec buffer tubes only. And this is from T10 Tactical. So that's your T10 right there. All right, let you look at the card briefly there. And then you can mount whatever sling you want onto your loop there. Notice a QD mount, which is then within this larger piece here. And then your button is enclosed right there. You can see there moving the ball bearings. Let's see how this fits. Oh, very nice. You can see there, nice free rotation. All right. So that's an example of the Nger Sopmod and Sling Mount combination kit. We got two of those. And then the last item here, we just got one of these to experiment with, a Spitfire Sling attachment. So you can see here a little bit of a model. Command your environment. So here, you can see here, design there. Inspired by the Spitfire airplane, I guess. Interesting. You can see here you have a 3.5-inch Kevlar loop and mounted through key mod, M-lock cuts, gas blocks, QD slots, barrel suppressors, AK lower handguard retainer sling loops, or wherever you can find. So you can see here you got something like this, and let's say you thread it through something. You know, let's say you have an object. Let's say like this, for example. ta-da, and then you can mount a sling on the end there, and this can be mounted to whatever that has an opening that you can thread this through, and then likewise through the slack, you can take it out just like that. Likewise, something like this, you know, a thin cut point like this. Again, you thread it through. I can get past this little barrier, and you know, if you want to do some expedient measure, so you can hang something from something, that's how you would do it, just with that simple self loop around the unit itself. You can see there, swings free. I'm not sure what type of material it is. It's very firm. I'm not sure if it's magnetic or not. No, it does sound like aluminum. Does it say? Not sure. Okay, hard coat aluminum, 7075 type 3. Okay, so T10 Spitfire Sling attachment. And then we had also, that's magnetic, that's magnetic. And of course, let's see if we can, comes off easily. This appears to be aluminum. Interesting. But these are all part of the T10 Nger Sopmod stock combo kit, and we got 2 of those. And these all came from T10, which stands for Tech 10 Tactical. So they have a large variety of items. Tech 10 or T10 Tactical. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.